SMIF is a program, student-managed organization, where students from business school come together and manage a portfolio, endowment fund of the school.
How our endowment works, you have individuals who contribute, financially to the university, and as a result, that money is vested within an investment portfolio, an endowment portfolio that is professionally managed by what we call portfolio managers, PMs for short. And their job is to not only maintain the integrity of that portfolio, but also grow it and make money. And the way in which we do that is conducting research. Our motto is high convictions in all that we do. So whether that's in research, in dialogue, and investments, we need to have high convictions.
When I joined as a sophomore, I really didn't know what a stock or a bond was. And when I joined SMIF, I immediately saw how much potential there is to learn, how much experience there is to get. So basically that was one of the main reasons why I joined SMIF. And also one of the big reasons was also the supportive group of leadership that we had. People always helped, and it was a very welcoming environment.
We do believe that a community impact is extremely important. It's one of Barry's core commitments, and we try to embody that through our program here at SMIF. I think that I've learned a lot more about my community in general by teaching these programs through FinFit, but I've also been able to network a lot within the Barry campus as being a part of this SMIF program, which has then helped to build that understanding of social responsibility here on campus, as well as in the Miami community.
The growth has been pretty impressive. We now have students who are heads of divisions of multi-billion-dollar financial institutions and non-financial institutions too. It's enhanced their careers, and we're seeing from more and more of our SMIF students. So you ask me why I do it. I think because there are students like this, and if I can contribute to them having wonderful experiences at Barry, experiences that translate or they can use in their careers or in their personal lives, then that's basically what we're